Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by unlocking the phone and opening both apps you plan to use. This saves time. Once done, tap Recents or swipe up to show app cards. You'll see a split screen icon on supported apps. If not, press and hold an app card and drag it to the top of the screen to initiate split mode. Make sure the app supports multi-window. Some full-screen games won't. This puts one app on top and leaves space below for the second app. Once the split is active, you can remove it by dragging the divider all the way to the top or bottom. That closes one pane and returns you to single app view. You can also tap the handle and drag to resize, or use the swap button to switch positions. This helps when one app needs more space. If you prefer, open Recents and drag a different app into the free pane to replace it, which can simplify exiting split after you finish. To finish, press Home or use the Home gesture to leave split screen and return to single app mode. This is immediate and reliable. If the divider won't move or split screen persists, force close the apps or reboot the phone to clear any UI hang. Make sure split screen is enabled in settings under multi-window or split screen options. Toggle it off and on if necessary. One tip: if a specific app prevents closing, update or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.